Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 26, 2025, and we're diving into HP's recently released fiscal 2025 full year and fourth quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss HP's performance, especially given the dynamic environment they're operating in.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. HP reported a net revenue of $14.6 billion for the fourth quarter, which is a 4.2% increase from the previous year. For the full fiscal year 2025, revenue was $55.3 billion, up 3.2%. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
HP's revenue growth is commendable, especially in a challenging market. The increase in Q4 revenue is driven by strong performance in their personal systems segment, which saw an 8% rise. However, the adjusted EPS for Q4 was 93 cents, slightly down by 3.1% from last year, reflecting some margin pressures.
And how does the full year performance compare?
For the full year, HP's adjusted EPS was $3.12, down 9% from the prior year. This decline is primarily due to increased restructuring and other charges, which have impacted their profitability despite the revenue growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. HP's segment performance shows a mixed bag. The personal systems segment reported a revenue of $10.4 billion, up 8%, while the printing segment saw a decline. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. The personal systems segment's growth is driven by strong demand in both consumer and commercial markets. However, the printing segment faced challenges, with a 4% decline in revenue. This is largely due to decreased demand for consumer and commercial printing products.
HP also announced a dividend increase and a significant cost savings initiative. What can you tell us about these strategic moves?
HP increased its quarterly dividend to 30 cents per share, reflecting confidence in their cash flow generation. Additionally, they announced a company-wide initiative aimed at achieving $1 billion in cost savings by 2028, which includes restructuring efforts and a focus on AI-driven innovation.
Financial health and cash flow. Let's talk about HP's financial health. They reported a free cash flow of $1.5 billion for Q4 and $2.9 billion for the full year. How does this position them financially?
HP's strong cash flow generation is a positive indicator of their financial health. They returned $1.9 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, which is a significant portion of their free cash flow. This demonstrates their commitment to returning value to shareholders while maintaining a robust cash position of $3.7 billion.
What does this mean for their future investments and growth?
With a solid cash position, HP is well equipped to invest in strategic initiatives, particularly in AI and innovation, which are crucial for their long-term growth and competitiveness.
Future outlook and leadership statements. Looking ahead, HP has provided guidance for fiscal 2026 with an EPS range of $2.90 to $3.20. What are the key factors influencing this outlook?
HP's outlook reflects their focus on AI-driven innovation and disciplined execution. CEO Enrique Lores emphasized their strategy to lead the future of work, while CFO Karen Parkhill highlighted efforts to mitigate cost headwinds and invest in AI initiatives. These factors are expected to drive productivity and customer satisfaction, positioning HP for sustainable growth.
It seems like HP is gearing up for a transformative year. Any final thoughts on their leadership's vision?
The leadership's commitment to innovation and cost management is crucial. Their strategic focus on AI and customer-centric solutions is likely to enhance their competitive edge and deliver long-term value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, HP has delivered a solid performance with revenue growth and strategic initiatives aimed at future success. Their focus on AI and cost management is promising for investors. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing HP's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on HP's performance in the comments below. Until next time.